Hey folks, welcome. So this is going to be an interesting video series I'm going to do. My awesome wife and daughter got me the ultimate Christmas present, which was a LEGO Eiffel Tower. So I'm not stopping on my aviation builds at all. This is just going to be some stuff I do when I have free time. But I want to ensure all my longtime followers, I'm still going to do my aviation updates. You're still going to see my big electric airplane updates and my ultralight update. So just stay tuned. So I was super excited that they got me something I could actually build for Christmas. So it comes in one really big box. It's about 28 pounds, and it is incredibly heavy. So when you open up the big box, there's three smaller boxes in it, and the number one box is the ground level, or the park that's underneath it. The number two box is the base, and the number three box is the actual tower that goes vertical. When you open up each box, it has its own manual, and inside the manual has all the steps. There's a total of 692 steps to build this. So this is going to take a while, folks. And as you know, if you've ever built any Legos in your life, the manual will show what bags you need for a particular structure and then what individual bags you need for the parts that make up that structure. Here's an example of step one. And on the page earlier, it showed you what parts you needed to grab to start building this. So I'm super excited to get this started, but it's just a colossal project. But I promise everybody I'm going to keep my aviation stuff going. But in this picture here, there are 74 bags that make up the 10,003 parts that build this. Now, I've read on the internet it's 10,001, and other places it's 10,003. I'm not sure the exact numbers. But it's really amazing that there's 74 bags, there's 10,003 pieces, there's 692 steps. So this is going to take months, and I'm going to try to video document every part of the build, but I just want people to realize I'm not giving up my aviation stuff at all. This is going to be happening late at night when I can't be making noise in my shop while the family sleeps. So I hope to have a video update on this at least once a week, folks. It might be every 2 weeks. I don't know how often it will be. I am planning on having some build nights a couple of times a month where I'm going to invite some of the neighbor kids over to help me build some parts and pieces of this. It is going to be a colossal project. And what kid wouldn't want to be exposed to building a giant Eiffel Tower out of Legos? And, you know, how many people have that cool of a chance that their awesome wife and daughter gets them one of these for Christmas? So I hope you stay tuned. The aviation stuff will keep coming. And you all rock on and have an awesome day. Bye.